Hello everybody. This actually research actually performed actually by me, Professor Dr. Med Engineer Aliyo Momot. It's called Dopamine Research and it's actually Dopamine Research Lab actually. We have different dispensations here. We know definitely that if dopamine is actually increased, it might increase fatigue and tensions and so many things like maniacs and so many things that may make the person too sick because it might cause some kind of meshy clouded nerve systems between the synapse and all that, and it might lead to cloudy nature or a clouded nature of the nerve cells and all that, and that might result to what is called a high tension in the brain system or a high tension in the body system that might affect the whole body system, like the central nervous system, and it can also affect the organs too, and also affects cardiology, as the cardiac systems actually. So it might actually tends to improve or destroy the body system when it's not well implemented. Dopamine, when it's actually increased too much, might destroy the body. When it's increased too much, when the dosage is actually too high, it will actually destroy the body. But when it's actually low or reasonable, the human can get out of a psychiatric problem actually. Let's look at it actually. This is a low dose, definitely. See, a low dose, definitely, of dopamine. It's a neurotransmitter, actually. So you could see the transmissions, actually. Beautiful transmissions, actually. Clean neural transmissions, actually. Transmitting between the nerves, actually. And you could see this transmitting. Let's take it an optimal. You see, this is actually transmitting. If the person is very sick, definitely, and it needs a little bit, not too much, but it might be a little bit crazy because it might cause some other things actually. Sorry for using that word actually. It might cause some other problems actually by making the person irregular actually, giving the person, making him tense and actually causing some cardiac problems. But when it's overdosed, definitely it's meshy. So dopamine in its high dosage can kill a patient. Can make him very tensed and also make him destroy his body, his organs and his hearts and everything, destroy his nerves, make him very crazy, maniac, and destroy him permanently. So let's go back to the low dose actually. Beautiful. Let's go to synapses. You could see synapses there, yeah. The synaptic and the postsynaptic, definitely. Let us take deficient, that's deficient. This is this is this is optimal. This is SS. You could see SS actually. The reaction is too much. You could see so many things exercising here. The electromagnetic field actually created here. If you have an MRI actually laid out here actually, you might know definitely like that's a magnetic resonance imaging, definitely you might know something actually that the activity here is really too high, and this might actually destroy the body system. Let's come to this. Actually, let's go to cardiac. This is cardiac system. See the cardiac system. Hypobar. Hypobar is a definitely low order, definitely actually, of dopamine in the body system actually. So let me put hypobar, definitely. This is hypobar. Looks not too bad. Goes up, come down, goes up. Let's look normal. So that hypobar is low. Let's look normal. Not too bad. But let's look hyperobar. See, it's coming really bad. Really bad. So it might make someone die if it's too high. Yeah? Taking it back. This is the research. Stress, pain, panics are both emotional and logical problems. Both hemispheres of the brain require dopamine balance. Cool down the nervous system. The corpus connect the hemisphere lobes must have a certain reduced size by the amount of dopamine in the body. Too much dopamine, blocked machine nerve formation, irregular nerve formation, and fatigue, and mania. Causes fatigue, and this nerve snaps only a small amount of them is to connect the nerve. If there's too much, a clot develop and causes fatigue through irregular nerve actualization and pathological tension. Optical dosage protocol. A little level is advisable. Required dosage help exams. Required dose help exams performance and mental stabilities. The hemisphere, the corpus, and all that. So it's beautiful. We have something out laid out here. So it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So it's beautiful. So it's beautiful. This is all that we have for this dopamine research lab. Beautiful. Thank you.